The flood water is now going to replace this fresh water. Presently the water condition is pure, but shortly it will be replaced by the dirty water. This is the second time of this monsoon season that the gates were opened of Srisailam Dam. The fresh water was replaced by the flood water. Now the water seems dirtier. If you observe closely, the sand particles in the water are visible, and because of that the water color is changed. There are a lot of grains of sand are present in this that changed the white color of water. Look closer at the spillway.